Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to cook an exo sauce that can be used for any food. Please watch it until the end. These are 3 seafoody ingredients we use. And the other ingredients as well. Now let's cook it. We need to ground 100 grams of shallots. $100 grams of garlic. $50 grams of dried shrimp. $70 grams of Medan anchovies. $30 grams of scallops. $25 grams of red chilies. Ground it all with a blender or manually with knife. Now, heat the pan and pour 50 milliliters cooking oil. Sauté shallots until fragrant. Add the grounded garlic. Add the grounded chili. Add a bit more of cooking oil. Then add 25 milliliters of sesame oil. Add 25 grams of bellpepper flakes. Then add the scallops, anchovies, and dried shrimp. Stir it well. When it becomes like this, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cook it until it gets mixed well, then it's done. XO sauce is ready to use to any food you want. It's easy, right? What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.